We today visiting the hospital, the Turkish hospital in what's it called? Dikfer, yeah. The name of it is Dikfer. Right now at the hospital, visiting some relatives. So I'm gonna show you around. By the way, there's something with Somalis. They're always threatened with cameras. They're scared. They have a fear. I don't know why. Like, for example, if you're carrying a gun and walking around with it, they won't matter. Like, it's alright. But if you recording a camera directly to them, sometimes you're recording of your face. You know, it's a selfie. They think, no, you're recording them, and they come fight with you. I've been in these situations a couple of times. So whoever is in Somalia and don't know Somalia's rules, this is one of them. So guys, take care. Don't take pictures in public places while people are seeing you. Yeah, this is Dikfer Hospital. I know. It looks so cute and nice and lovely. I wish, Turkish people made for us somewhere to entertain ourselves, like this place. Like, I wish, they opened a park or something. They are focused, yeah, I know. Right now they are focused with more important things, but our kids need things to do. They need to get busy, They need to do stuff. They need to see their talent. So yeah, this is a car outside. The weather is lovely. That's the masjid over there. That is the masjid over there. You see it? It's so beautiful. So lovely. This is the main entrance. Right here. I think it's clear. Wait. هني الهولوي مالهم صراحة والله وايد وايد سوون للتركيا طبعا من بعد ما فتحوا العيادة. وبعد العيادة صراحة أن التركيين سووا وايد، خاصة إنه بنوا هالمستشفى. وبعد ما بنوا هالمستشفى فتحوا مكان لتدريب الممرضات وعمال الأشعة وكذا شغلة. أنا مش متأكدة الحين، بس الصراحة سووا وايد أشياء وإحنا وايد نقدرهم هالشي. بس يا ريت بعد لو يسوون أشياء ترفيهية. سوري ظلمة. This is the university I was talking about. It's not really a university. It's like a college. It's a جامعة